Just express yourself. Like what do you do? What's your name and where you work?
My name is Anuj Saraf.
Mm-hmm.
I am a BMS graduate. I am
Right.
currently pursuing CFA.
Mm-hmm.
I am currently working at Keynote Capitals as an equity research analyst. At Consai, I have learned a lot. The
Mm-hmm.
company doesn't provide me with the training, so at Consai I received the training how you analyze companies, how
Mm-hmm.
you actually go ahead and shorten your work. I'm very good at Excel right now. Uh, so it has been a really good experience. But it would have been great if the lectures were longer, a few 2-3 lectures addition would have been great.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, because this is a skill that doesn't come just by doing one company. You need to practice a lot.
I got it. I got
So, and the
it. So
best
what?
part about Kansai is that you get a lot of personal attention. Your professors really give you a lot of attention. They are always available anytime, any place. And next, in the next company that I'll be working for, I'll definitely be in touch with the professors of Kansai.
Okay. So if you think like in deepen that, what exactly you have learned in the concise equity research workshop?
Well, the main thing that I learned was valuations, which I didn't know properly.
Okay. Valuation. Valuation is that part. Okay.
Valuation, I didn't understand. Excel, I knew to a certain extent, but I wasn't fast enough. So I'm very fast at in Excel after this. So mostly valuations is the main part that I came here for, which I got.
Okay. And about the support structure, what is your experience about that? How is the support structure of this concept?
Support structure is excellent.
Okay.
Uh, I've been to many classes before, and it's like after the class is over, the professors are not in your touch. You can't ask them additional questions. You can't complete your work with the A grade work.
Mm-hmm.
You need your professor to guide you, to mentor you, and the professors over here act like your mentor, and they can help you in. They are available in classroom and outside the classroom. They do not only guide you in your equity research area, but you can ask them anything and everything that you want. They're always there.
So that is what the experience you got about the support structure. Okay, and one thing like, do you think that this workshop will be beneficial to getting placed in equity research?
Yes, it will be definitely be beneficial because in an interview, if you don't have experience, you should have knowledge.
Yes.
And
Uh,
even though I am working right now, there are many people who are not working and still they have the knowledge. So in the interview, they can crack it, they can receive proper training, they can get an opportunity. I think if you look at the current scenario, every financial industry wants people with experience. So
Knowledge-based people,
knowledge-based
practical.
people, they don't want to spend money on you to train you, and
Mhm.
they just leave. They want properly people who will be committed to this industry at least. They may not be committed to the company, but they should be committed to the industry, to the field, and they should do their job properly.
So this workshop, you want to say that this workshop does this workshop grounds the participants to go and face the interview and get placed?
Yes, but I would have still liked more lectures.
I got it. You expressed that.
Definitely,
Hmm.
definitely, Harshal sir is always available, so that's one good point. Even after today being the last lecture, I'm pretty sure if I need any assistance,
No,
he'll be
that
there.
is, you are welcome because as our support structures, we give ongoing support.
Hmm.
So that is not an issue.
So,
But like what you want to express is that more lectures, uh, like to be added
yes,
sessions. So that we can say that's your feedback. Okay, I got it. And one thing I want to ask is that what do you want to say to the future participants of this Consai consultancy?
to future participants, I'd say work hard.
Hmm.
Your commitment is required. only the efforts from the professor's side is not enough. You need to put yourself out there and work hard and complete the work assigned to you. So if you're taking up something, do it with full commitment, and you will be very good in this field.
Okay, got it. And in current conversations, like you have much of expressed. Just at the end, and this is last one, that what feedback you have to give or anything you have to express freely. So this you can express it.
Well, the main part that I liked was the connectivity that we had. We went beyond having a teacher-student relationship. So that is the best part that I like.
So okay, that's the best part. Like, and feedback likewise, or
Yes.
anything you have to express freely. Like you have to express freely. One feedback which you I got it from you is that more lectures must be added. That is one thing, and other than that, anything.
Mm, well, I would like to. No, that's it. I
Okay,
think.
as such, nothing. Okay, I got it. So thank you, Anuj, for giving your time.
Thank you.
Bye.